Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change home screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style. Here select change wallpapers. These are all the system available wallpaper. Just select any one. I would like to select this wallpaper, and to apply for home screen, just you can untick lock screen, so it will be applied only in home screen. Click on next and click on done. Yes, the selected wallpaper has been now applied in home screen. See the changes. You can also set a photo as wallpaper for home screen. Again go to the settings and then go to wallpaper and style. Click on change wallpapers and from gallery select any photo. Here I would like to select this photo and click on done and untick lock screen. Click on next, click on done. Here the selected wallpaper is now applied in home screen. See the changes. To come back to the original default wallpaper, again go to the settings, then go to wallpaper and style and click on change wallpapers and from featured select first one and click on home screen only and click on next, click on done finally. So in this way also you can bring back to the original one. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.